Food cooking unevenly? If one side's always burnt while the other's barely warm, or your food just isn't crisping right, here are the top rack and tray mistakes people make with this oven. Step 1. Use the right rail positions. For most cook modes, the oven tray or sear plate should sit on the wire rack in the bottom rails. If you slide it directly into the upper rails by mistake, it throws off airflow and cooks unevenly, especially on bake, toast, or roast. Step 2. Don't skip the wire rack. The oven tray should always sit on top of the rack, not in place of it. Skipping the rack drops the tray too low, too close to the bottom element. That's what causes scorched bottoms and cold tops. Step 3. Flip or rotate your food. Even with the right setup, you still need to flip or rotate your food halfway through. Turn meats or veggies manually or rotate the entire tray 180 degrees, especially on air fryer grill, where heat hits harder from one side. Step 4. Watch the basket setup. If you're using the air fry basket, make sure it's in the top rails and that the tray is underneath it on the wire rack. If you skip the tray, drips fall on the element and heat distribution suffers. If you've been using the wrong rail, skipping the rack, or not rotating halfway, fixing just one of those usually solves the uneven cook. If this helped get your food back to golden and even, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your tray is warped or won't sit flat, I've linked a compatible replacement one below. Makes all the difference with airflow. Thanks for watching, and flip your food, not just your oven.